Rowan Stringer was a 17-year-old girl who loved playing rugby. She was very competitive. During one of her games on a Wednesday, she got hit, then just got back right into her game. Then she had another game on Friday, got hit again, then had a headache and all symptoms of a concussion, but didn't think anything of it and didn't tell anyone. The following Monday, she played again and got hit so bad she dropped down and was unconscious. That was on May 8th, 2013. Then 4 days later, passed away on June 12th because of an unreported, undetected concussion.
Did you know that every 5 out of 10 concussions go unreported or undetected? Now these are Rowan's texts the Friday game to her friend. Only if she told an adult, it would have been forgotten.
How was your game?
I might have gotten a concussion. I have a headache again.
Doesn't that happen every time?
Well, I smashed it on the ground and then got hit to the head, which is why I probably have a concussion.
Yeah, well, you need to stop dying. Are you still going to play on Wednesday?
Yeah, nothing can stop me, unless I'm dead.
I'm sure you'll be fine then.
Or unless I have a concussion.
Are you going to go get it checked?
No, just see if it gets worse.
You should probably go see a doctor.
Meh, what's a brain damage gonna